Scientific models are simplified representations of complex real world phenomena. They help us understand, predict, and communicate scientific concepts. Everyday examples include weather forecasts, which model atmospheric conditions, and anatomical models used in medical education. These models are crucial for visualizing and testing hypotheses without direct experimentation. Toy cars, dollhouses, and maps are all models. They simplify complex realities, allowing us to grasp concepts without needing the actual objects. These models provide insights into real world structures and locations, making them invaluable tools for learning and understanding. Scientists use models to simplify complex realities. Just as you might sketch your house to explain it, scientists create models to study phenomena that are too vast, minute, distant, or hazardous. These models allow for exploration and understanding without the need for direct interaction with the actual subject. A scientific model is a representation of a real object, system, or process. It aids in understanding things we can't easily see or touch. Models can be drawings, 3D objects, or computer programs providing insights into complex phenomena. Consider a toy car, a miniature version of a real car illustrating its shape and features. A globe represents Earth, displaying continents and oceans. Architects use building models to visualize projects like malls or bridges, allowing communities to see the final design before construction. Scientific models are simplified representations of real world objects or phenomena. They help us study things that are too large, small, complex, or distant. While not the actual object, these models provide valuable insights into understanding and analyzing the real thing. A map of your barangay serves as a model representing the entire area with streets and buildings. This model helps overcome the challenge of viewing the entire barangay at once. It provides a flat, detailed representation highlighting street names and key locations like the barangay hall or school, aiding in navigation and understanding of the area. The solar system is vast, with planets separated by millions of kilometers. A model, like a drawing, places the sun at the center with planets orbiting around it. This helps us grasp the order of planets and the basic layout, making the complex solar system more comprehensible. Models aren't just physical toys, they can be drawings, diagrams, or simulations. They represent real objects or ideas to aid understanding. Remember, models are simplified versions, highlighting key aspects while omitting finer details. A toy car lacks a real engine, and a globe doesn't depict every tree on Earth. Models serve as stand ins for real objects or concepts, much like actors in a movie. The acronym MODEL, miniature or diagram explaining life, reminds us that models are often smaller versions or illustrations that clarify complex realities. They simplify and represent essential features, aiding in understanding and communication. The first atomic models, over a century old, depicted atoms as plum pudding, with electrons in a positive sphere. This was later revised to electrons orbiting a nucleus, akin to planets around the sun. This evolution highlights how scientific models adapt with new discoveries, enhancing our understanding of the natural world. Weather forecast maps are models that simplify complex data, guiding daily decisions like carrying an umbrella. Similarly, recipe diagrams visually represent cooking steps, making them easier to follow. These models illustrate how scientists creatively solve problems, from predicting typhoons to designing medicines, by representing complex systems in understandable ways. A scientific model is a representation of a real object, system, or process. While not the real thing, it aids in understanding. Models are crucial for studying phenomena that are too big, small, distant, or complex. Examples include toys, maps, diagrams, and computer simulations, each serving to simplify and clarify intricate concepts. Identify models in everyday life, such as toys, maps, and diagrams. Recognize simulations in news reports like typhoon paths as models aiding safety. Create simple models yourself, such as drawing a classroom map to assist new students in navigating their environment.